Hey everybody, so I did get a request to look at Gianni Bini here in Dillards. Now I have looked at it before, but I guess they just want a separate video. We got tons of wedges. Look at this one. Well, that's a high one. And that one is going to be 80. And they do have it in your very dark brown. Now back here, very summery and spring, we do have white. And that one is going to be 80. And they do have your blush, like a blush nude right next to it. Oh, look at this heel right here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Really cool looking, right? You do get an ankle strap. And they only want $98. And they do have it in your black. Let me grab that. Way in the back. Wow. I am liking that. And again, in like your nude color. Here is a low heel. You do get your ankle strap. Very simple. One is going to be $70. $80 Gianni Bini. Look at the back, pretty thick. I only see it in this color, but they do have the navy blue. $98. Look at that heel. And they do have it in the black, and the black is going to be all solid. $80. You have your white and black, and look at this. It's like red, orange, blood orange. I don't know. It's pretty cool looking. I like that color. And they only want 80. Your white is going to be 80. I love it. $90, and they do have it in your white way over there. Not bad, very cute. A lot of people are doing some prom shopping right now. And look at this one in the front. Got a little bow knot. And that one is going to be $98. $98. Look how colorful. Look at the bow in the back. And over here they do have like a polka dot. You pull it forward. $98 suede. I am loving that one. High ankle strap. And again, they have that colorful one right next to it. $98. Look at that. Kind of like a shoe. You do get it. Tie it in the back. Look at this one. Very simple. And look at this one. I love that blue color. I've been finding a lot of that everywhere. And that one is going to be $90. $80. I do love yellow, and it is suede. And this one is going to be $80. We do have a little bit of flat. Look at this one. The flat is going to have a zipper in the back, and it wraps all the way around the shoe. That's pretty cool, actually. That is going to be $70. And they do have it in your black right here. Gold zipper. And your flat. Pointy toe. And that one is going to be $70. These are really cute. Remind me of Sam Edelman's and of course Steve Madden. They're going to be $60. They do have your pink and your tan. Actually, Franco Sarto does have a shoe like that too. Your T straps are going to be $50. We have black, brown, white. And look at this yellow one. Again, I'm loving yellow. And they're going to be $50. Look at that colorful one, and they want $70. Animal print, that one's on clearance for $53. Suede, 40% off, and they want $80. And they do have a white one, but look over here. We do have the tassel hanging from your toe. Kind of cool looking. And those are going to be $66. And we do have like your deep maroon red. To find the sneakers. Oh my gosh, look how blingy that sneaker is, right? And of course it is going to be Gianni Bini, and that is going to be $99. And look at this one. Look at the black with the print at the bottom. and they want the same price. I'm kind of digging this style. Normally I don't, but they want $98. We do have it in your black and your silver. $98. Look at that glam, right? I love heels like this. I just have nowhere to wear them. And look at that deep purple, like a plum. How beautiful is that one? I love it. And they do have gold. Your sandals are going to be $80. $80. These are very cute looking. I do have a pair. I got them at Macy's. I wear them to work. And they have the pink and your black one. Look at that blue one. I love it. And I love the strap in the back. And it is going to be $99. I'm just going to round that. And $90. Look at that ankle strap. Love it. And they do have it in your silver way over there. And on top, look at that. $99. Oh my gosh, guys, I am in love. I am in shoe heaven. And I like this one over here. It kind of has like that rainbow effect. Just a little bit. Oh no. Oh, look at that one. Same price. I wish I had a lazy Susan so I could put this on and turn it around. Alright you guys, that is it for this walkthrough. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see all of you in the next one. Kind of cool, huh? Yeah. How it has that zipper that goes all the way around. It's pretty neat.
It's like those pencil patches. Wouldn't it be cool if they came undone?